Hi, in this video I will show you how to use app for creating documentation from XSD schemas. This is my website. I will leave link to description. To find app I will use search and type XSD and it will show all XSD apps, and I will click on XSD to PDF. Double click on download to start downloading process. Then click on downloaded archive to open it. Double click on MSI Inside Archive and click on more info. I'm getting this screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, and click on yes here and click on finish, and app has been installed on my computer. You can see new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and minimize this window and double click on shortcut to launch the app. Now conversion to PDF is 3 steps process, and first step I have to select XSD I want to convert. One on my file, I'll click to select files and click on this transaction XSD. It's just XSD for test, and click on next step. No options here, click on next step and click on run to start conversion to PDF. Then I will specify name and location of result PDF file, and if name is location is okay, just click save, and file has been saved. Now let's go and open file. This is a file. I don't have PDF reader, but I have a PDF viewer, and you can see all documentation has been created. There are 2 instances into XSD file: transaction request and transaction response, and all these instances has been documented, including example of XML and how it's represented into XSD. Now another instance, transaction, another element, and an example of XML, how it will look like, and schema representation. At the end is a glossary containing XSD references. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.